Hello everyone, let us start with the next question. Before starting, let me say one important thing, and that is, see, state symbols are given for all reactions, okay? So if it is not asked in the question, no need to write any state symbols, like this is in gaseous state, okay? Oxygen is in gaseous state, okay? Water is in liquid state. Am I clear? These things, if it is asked in the question, then only you will write, otherwise no need. For example, one question you are having, here it is given, like question number 3, here solutions of beryllium chloride and sodium sulfate in water. It is already mentioned in water, so you have to mention here aqueous, okay? And it is written that you have to write with symbols. Am I clear? That time you will mention, otherwise no need to write state symbols. If you simply write the reaction, it will be correct, okay? Now question number 9, what does one mean by exothermic and endothermic reactions? That I explained, that endothermic reaction means where heat in a reaction where heat is absorbed, that is an endothermic reaction, and the reactions where heat is evolved or it gives heat along with the product is called exothermic reaction. So examples you will write. Why respiration is considered as exothermic reaction? This is due to release of energy. So you will write, explain along with the reaction. Why are decomposition reactions called opposite of combination reactions? Okay, there are two reasons. One is, in combination reaction heat is evolved, and in decomposition reaction heat is absorbed. Am I clear to you? And in combination reaction, two or more reactants gives us a single product, but in decomposition reaction one reactant breaks to give us two or more products. Now if you consider question number 12, write one equation each for decomposition reaction where energy is supplied in the form of heat, light and electricity. So these are the reactions. First one is by applying heat, so you will write here heat. Then this one is by using sunlight, and this one by using electricity. Am I clear? So what is the difference between displacement and double displacement reaction? You can write the definition and you give one examples. Am I clear? One example is required, and you write 2 points for each. So that is given. In the refining of silver, the recovery of silver from silver nitrate solution involved displacement by copper metal. Write down the reaction. So displacement by copper metal. So copper will displace silver from silver nitrate and it will give us this reaction. What do you mean by precipitation reaction? Double displacement reaction is the precipitation reaction. Here exchange of ions takes place and gives us one product as precipitate. So write this answer. Explain oxidation and reduction reaction. So you will write the definition and one example. One example is enough. Next, a shiny brown colored element X on heating in air becomes black in color. Name the element X and the black colored compound. Okay. On heating becomes black in color, so that substance X is copper and reacts with oxygen and gives us copper 2 oxide, which is black. Why do we apply paint on iron articles? To prevent corrosion, and in case of iron it is called rusting, so to prevent rusting. Oil and fat containing food items are flushed with nitrogen gas. Why? To prevent rancidity. Okay, then explain the terms with example. Corrosion and rancidity, you will write the definition and one example you need to write. Please check all the question answers. If you want to read from here, you can directly read. So I am just showing you the answers once. You can pause it and you can write the answers from here. Okay. You can write answers from here, read it nicely, practice it, and if you find any problem, you can ask me and you can give me message in WhatsApp. I will help you out. Am I clear to you? Please study nicely, everyone.